Welcome to Simply Fun's online school of playology. In this session, we'll learn how to play Cow Cents, where you make change to earn money. Cow Cents is a fun way to expand understanding of monetary coin values for kids. Players try to exactly match amounts on the game board and collect the money in the pool if they succeed. Both planning and strategy are required to win the pool and avoid sharing the pot with the other players if you go over. Cow Cents can be played with 2 to 6 players, ages 6 and up. Set your financial goals, count your change carefully, and match amounts on the goal board. The player with the most moolah at the end of the game wins. Inside every Cow Cents box, you'll find one goal board, on which you will place a deck of 24 shuffled goal cards. You'll also find 6 colored player boards and 6 colored cow tokens. Each player in the game gets a board and a set of tokens in matching colors. There are 70 money tokens of varying denominations in Cow Cents, and after the correct number of coins are distributed to each player, the remaining tokens go into the handy money bag shown here. Cow Cents is ideal for building basic math skills, as well as financial awareness. By adding and subtracting multiple combinations and denominations, young players reinforce their understanding of coin monetary values and learn adaptive strategies and decision-making in the process. Place the goal board in the center of the table so all players can reach it, and distribute the individual boards and tokens. Shuffle the goal cards and place them face down on the goal board in the marked spot. Flip over the top 2 cards and place them on the spaces marked goal. Then give each player a 5, 10, 25, and 50-cent money token to put on his own player board. Players will take turns drawing one more token from the bag to add to their other money tokens. The first player starts by placing a money token from his player board into one of the 2 money pools associated with the goal cards. He then draws a new money token from the money bag. Players should have 5 money tokens on their player boards at all times. Play continues in a clockwise direction, with each player placing a money token in the pool and drawing a replacement token from the bag, until either the goal card is matched or exceeded, or the money pool for a card is bought by one of the players. We'll discuss that option a little later. For now, let's talk about what happens when the goal card is matched or exceeded. If a player's money token brings the total of the money in the pool to the exact amount on the associated goal card, that player gets to collect all the money tokens from that pool, including the token he just played, and set them aside. These collected tokens are now out of play and will count toward that player's final total at the end of the game. A new goal card for that money pool is then flipped over and play continues. Now, if a player's money token brings the total value of the money in the pool to an amount exceeding that on the goal card, he has to distribute the money tokens in that pool to the other players in the game, giving one to each player. If there are more tokens than players, the remaining tokens are put back in the money bag for continued play. As for the ones distributed to the other players, those tokens are also now out of play. But of course, they count for the other players' totals now. Note that the player distributing the money tokens may choose which tokens to give to which players. The smart distributor will give the higher denominations to the players with lower totals, so as to attempt to ensure his own game-winning high total. After distribution and replacement of tokens into the money bag, a new goal card is flipped over and play resumes. So, what about buying a money pool? If a player doesn't want to wait to match a goal card, or he wants to avoid exceeding the amount on his turn, he may choose to use his cow token to purchase and collect the money tokens in the pool. Note that players can use their cow tokens only once in a game. Once cow tokens are used, they must be set aside. Cow tokens also don't have a monetary value and do not count in a player's final total. The game ends when the last money token is drawn from the money bag. At this point, players calculate the value of all the money tokens they have collected during the game. The player with the highest total wins. Note that money tokens left on the player boards or game boards cannot be used to count toward final totals. Only those tokens that were collected or bought can count. With Simply Fun's Cow Cents, play your tokens wisely, and you'll end with a whole lot of moolah.